Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on FxPro. So first of all, you need to create your account on FxPro, and that is quite simple. If you don't have any idea how to do that, please check out a previous video of mine. But now, once we created our account, you first need to fund your account. So put money on your wallet so you can trade with a real account. I will show you today how to do it with a demo account. It's almost the same, but first of all, you need to deposit money to your wallet. We don't have money on our wallet, so we click here on demo accounts, and then we go right here to trade. Then we click here on FxPro web terminal, and then he will send us to the page where we can trade. So now we do open account. No, we don't do open account. We click just here on the demo account, and now we have the chart right here. Now we click on yes, close this, and now we are on the web browser right here. Let's give this a little look, because right now if you want to change the symbol right here, we can do that by searching here for the symbol, but euro to USD is fine for me right now. And if you want to create a position, it's quite simple, because now we can click here on the green one. Then we do what we want to do. So let's do single click. So now this is fine. But if you want to create a order, we click here on plus, order entry. And then right now we can create here a order entry. So let's change this to euro USD, where it is there. And now we can create here a order. So what we're going to do right now is quite simple. We can select market, limit, or stop. Now let's do a limit order. Select here the amount that we want to set the limit order to. The volume, we can change the volume if you want to. So we do it to 0.5. And then we can create a stop loss right there, or a take profit right there, just if you want to. And then after that, we click here on place by limit order. But right now the market is closed, so we can't place an order. But when the market is open, you just need to click here on place by limit order, and then you can trade on the market. So this is how you can trade on the market on FxPro. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.